Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to be showing you something interesting. So there's a game called Zombie Uprising. So I don't want to play the game as of right now because Roblox is having some weird issues that just crashes your computer, like not just crashes, it's like just slows your computer down for a while till you just get hold of it, and then you just end task for Roblox till that your computer just lags out like a lot. So the issue when I was doing that was when I was playing the game called Zombie Uprising. So yeah, it happened right when I was doing that. I don't know if it was because of Filmora Video Editor. So I've been trying out Filmora Video Editor, but unfortunately, of that big watermark, I have not been uploading with that. So it might have been with Filmora, but Roblox did crash like a lot. So yeah, guys, enough of talking. You just have to type in ACS and then you would see these three pop up first. You just have to drag and drop the ACS 1.16.6 made easier. I'll also leave the link down below in the video's descriptions. And as you guys can see, we have it. So first of all, what you want to do is delete this readme because we don't need this as of right now. Delete the ACS AI. This is just a bots over here. So these would kind of ruin your game because they're too OP, and there's footstep synthesis. So what you want to do is drag and drop this inside sound service, which is down here, and then just control plus U it. So now if you guys have seen this, there's property here and explorer here. The way I did this was, okay, wait. So yeah, the way I did this was like I just dragged my explorer from here. I mean my properties from here, and then just dragged it within this place, and then just snapped together, and that formed. So yeah, and now what you want to do is just drag and drop these all inside of its respective places. So now, as you guys can see, there's this thing called startup play scripts. So for those who are newer to Roblox and you don't know what startup player scripts is or where it is, all you have to do is just go to startup player, and then you can see the startup character scripts and startup play scripts. So you just drag it inside, Control plus U. It's as easy as it is. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just have to drag it in, Control plus U, and then you just close the bracket. And here's the ungrouping workspace. Just Control plus U it and drag it into workspace, and then this Control plus U, and it's auto saving. So you can delete this ACS footstep synthesis, delete that, and Spite NV's edit. Drag and drop it into server script service and Control plus U. Now there's this thing called tools. So the tools are the basically guns for your game. So now if you open up ACS workspace, there's this thing called breach. Delete the breach, keep the client, delete the doors. So that's pretty much what you want to do. And then there's the tools. So these are basically the guns that you will be able to use. So just drag and drop the guns, uh, drag and drop the tools inside of starter pack. So this is where your um, guns would be stored. So just Control plus U that, and it's ungrouped as it is. So now, if you have played Zombie Uprising, it's basically a zombie shooter game where zombies come out of these windows, and you have to protect you and your teammates. So it's like that. So what you want to do is have one automatic gun, most probably disable the shield, and just choose one automatic gun that you like for your game, and one automatic gun. And then you could choose something like an ammo box, and disable the binoculars and Chavez. I keep the desert eagle for my gun, and then keep the ammo box. Keep ammo box and uh, It is the HK416 mod and the HK and these two. So these two guns are a bit glitched at the moment. So I'll have the Deagle and so yeah, I'll just go through this list and just find which one suits the best. So guys, I forgot before telling you that you before you test this, you have to publish it to Roblox as, and then after you published it, just click on home and go to game settings. Now what you want to do is go to security and allow these two HTTPS requests and API services, and after you enable that, click save, and after you click save, go to avatar, and inside of avatar you can choose the R6. So I leave a few video links down below in the description, so those are also guide you through some extra optional features such as making some armor for your players. So yeah guys, I'll just go through this and find which one suits me the best. So guys, I've chosen a few of the best guns. I won't be troubling them by giving them bows and arrows. So yeah, we have the G17. I choose the G17 over the Deagle because the Deagle is just too much recoil stuff. If that makes sense. So yeah, what I want to do now is I have my heavy gun, I have my help, the extra thing. I have my auto gun, and I also have my pistol. So what you want to do is just select all of these, and then okay, wait. So yeah, what you want to do is select all of these and right click throw them inside of the workspace. So now what you want to do is the one that you wanted last, which would be our medikit. So we want our medikit at the last because it's not an essential. And then what you want before that would be the heavy gun because the heavy gun should be used. Okay, wait, what? So yeah, seems like I have messed this up again, so it's the other way around. So what you want to do first of all is just move this back and move the RPK back. Now what I want to do is first of all drag the M4A1 ACOG inside of this. So I'm just going to name it M4A1. I guess that's the name of the gun, I guess. And then there's the G17, and it's called the G17. So let it be the G17. So yeah, I think it's arranged by itself. So just drag and drop it inside. At first it was pretty nice. So yeah, we have the G17 at first. So it's a pretty good order too. And now what you want to do is close up workspace, close up pack, and then you can get testing your game. So in this video we have set up the ACS gun kit. In the next video I'll be showing you guys how to make a kit, and I'll also give the what do you call it, I'll give you the map in the description of the next video so that you guys can just, use the model and create your own game, since I won't be using this game for anything else but for just playing myself. So yeah, there was also one another thing that I wanted to mention is that always like but that didn't overload with zombies. So next video would be making the map. So after the next video there will be the third episode would be for setting up the zombie spawners. So there will be one spawner like here, one spawner over there, and some over here and stuff like that. So the zombie you would be making would be fully customizable. It could be one like a Project Lazarus, or it could be the Arsenal one, or it could be anyone that you like. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and I was just as from the last like 4 to 5 days been flooded with a friend request, and why it probably is not because of another account, because my other company has max visits on my game. And if you see over here, I have over 100 friend requests in like one day. I even tried to clear them out each and every day, but still max about one day was 15. I think it was 15 to 16. It was 15 to 16 days, and now there's still 100 and friend requests. And if I have over, I think it's so I'll mention it down below in the comments. And since I'm running OBS, I don't know how the FPS will be. If it's bad, I'm going to make the video and upload it again. So yeah, guys, I'm taking too long for this thing. So just go to chat and then properties and then turn off bubble chat if you already have that. Turn on the default chat because you just want chat. So that would be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and maybe even like the video, and make sure to subscribe because I'll be giving the next two videos. um, yeah, I guess I'll give it down below in the